Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business social media post using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A square post appears stretched on preview. Pixel aspect ratio gets adjusted for platform accuracy. Instantly, composition improves. Icons stay proportional. Business headlines feel centered. Visual tension disappears. The design now fits feeds naturally. This step protects engagement. A final scan confirms consistency. The post now feels ready to represent the business confidently. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity